What does that say? You starting your own coffee now?
Trust me, I am. See that? So Hutchino's. What do you think of the branding?
I like it, mate. Very authentic. It looks like family run over like 100 years.
Yeah, it has. Like, even though it was incorporated in 2026, I didn't use AI to make the logo or anything.
Did you not?
No, I drew it myself. But you're not ready for the next thing, are you?
What's that?
You think I haven't got my own pizza brand as well?
Your 000 flour.
Yeah. Wait till you see my pizza box logo. Is that another payout?
Yes. Yeah.
It's
the one you just posted in Discord.
It's Ryan. He's not in Falcon, by the way. Yeah, he's in Rewired. So he trades futures, trades gold as well. He trades a few different asset classes, but he's got his own niche strategy. He's just about to get another payout, but he's just made 12k. And what I like about his journey is, like, because we spoke, what I like about his journey more is that he went from making like no money to suddenly making money. Like, he couldn't get results for like 2 to 3 years. And this is the part that people don't understand, is that there's only so much technicals you can learn, and you will know enough to make money, and like eventually the penny's going to drop that you're the problem. Because why can someone else with a similar experience and skill level produce consistent results? Like, they're making $5,000, $10,000 a month, and you're not at the same experience, same skill level. It's just not working. And I think that's just down to lack of emotional regulation, and he's done it. So he's gone through the program, he's done the work. I love it, because look, some people won't be utilizing the program to the highest level. People are crushing it. I'm just looking at Discord now. Honestly, Hybrid Trader has done wonders. Yeah, it's actually crazy for me to even see the aftermath of it, of just the amount. It's just unreal.
So an average person spends $4,000 on prop firm assessments before they get a payout, and the average payout is $500. Imagine if someone told you give me 4k and I'll give you $500, and I'm literally jumping over hurdles to make that happen. Like, it's insane.
It's such a bad deal. But do you know what? Do you say 4k?
4.2.
I bet you it's higher than that. Like, the average might not be higher than that, but like, you got to understand, they're putting in the people that go into that statistic. I think those figures are generous. Like, average.
Some people spend 18k on
I know.
You spend 18,000
yeah, it's insane. And it's just like this. Do you know what it is? This new wave of people that have got into trading. Like, I would say a good 95% of people that have got into trading in the last 2 to 3 years, they've come in. There's more education for free on YouTube that is all over the place. So they've sat there, developed some sort of scalping method, tried to figure out what prop firm has got the best deal, allocate a portion of their wages every single month, like $100, $200, $300, and just literally just keep rolling the dice and hoping that it works. That's literally what they're doing. Like, there's no education. It's just gambling disguised as trading. Let's say even 6-7 years ago, the way someone would enter trading wouldn't be the way these people are entering. You know, these people that are entering, they've got no idea, because you never used to have that, like, I say low barrier to entry. Mate, this is no barrier to entry. This is like, jump on YouTube, watch a 3-hour video, buy a funded assessment. You know how fucking stupid that is.
Whose video do you watch? Someone who's got an affiliate to an assessment.
Yeah, it's
like the whole, you know, like ID for brokers or signal providers that sell you into a broker.
I think it's the same thing. It's just you just basically changed the font. So before you had a signal service, you'd promote it, you'd benefit off of traders losing. Now, you know, the same behavior exists with funded firms. So you're just like, yep, here's the code for the funded firm. Let me affiliate with this one. And then tell people that, look, it don't matter. Look at my payout, because all you need to do is make one payout and you make it all back. But it's like, you're appealing to gamblers that don't know much about the industry yet.
But on another note, you know, for our event in June, managed to get some pens.
What, Mont Blancs, yeah?
We've got pads. No.
What, Falcon Mont Blancs?
Brillo, or whatever the brand is.
Yeah.
They look quite nice though.
Well, they're going to need them, right? Because we're going to be mapping out the second half of the year. Like that, again, even just on that note, you just prompted a thought. Why do people not succeed? It's because they don't have a plan, or they don't even know what they should be planning. Like, if you're a new person coming into the industry and you're thinking about making money straight away, you've lost. You may as well don't even start learning to trade, because you're not thinking about a plan. You're not thinking about all of the external things that got nothing to do with trading whatsoever, yet has such a vital role in your ability to make money with funding, with all of these things.
Common move for me. So that one kind of went in that way. That was the other side of it otherwise. So that's like a semi-mistrade. I say semi-mistrade because, I probably would have ended with maybe, how much would have this been in the end? Maybe 1%, not even. Because then that would have been about, this would have run for about, maybe 1-ish%. I say
just on Abdu's live right now.
Usually set 15-minute limit orders. It's not really a play I do often. Are you happy for my $3 to $1 Swiss? I set the order on it was a bit before I woke up. I had a feeling you were in it. It was about an hour before I woke up. I set an order hoping it would pull back enough, but I moved it. So you moved it just to make sure I don't get into it.
Ryan, 12k worth of, so he's got 2k, 4k, 2, another 2. I think he's got another 2 or 4 coming as well, and he's doing phenomenally well. He sent me this message like, I could not get results for 1 to 2 years and just a simple module. That was one of the main things he said. Where was it? Yeah, so before Rewired, it had been a good few years with no real results, and it's constantly, basically what he's talking about is that for like years he was in a low state of mind because he didn't even know how to get into a good state of mind. I'm talking about like a high vibrational state where you're in this mode where you just trust yourself to make good trading decisions. Meaning that, imagine you got stuff going on in your life and you're a bit fearful. If you come to the charts, that fear is going to display in your decision making. Where if you don't know how to control that, or you haven't got processes to get there, you're literally just showing up to the charts every day based on whatever emotion that you feel that's going on in your external life. So if you've not developed formulas on how you can go, right, that's external. When I'm in my trading den, I'm sharp, I'm on the ball. There is a process that you can go through, which is obviously he's gone through the Rewired process, where you learn how to tap into that state of mind on demand. Because the market's not waiting for you. Market's waiting for no one. And what a coincidence. No matter what technicals he learned, nothing. The only thing that changed was his ability to manage his emotions under pressure. And then there you go, 12 grand. You think that person looks back and regrets investing into the program? 12k. You think that person looks back and go, oh, now I've got this lifetime access for Rewired. I've made 12 grand. And that's just what we know of. The extra money that is made on top. So yeah, Ryan, he's smashed it. Do you know what the interesting thing about Darag is? So he's got $2,650 FTMO payout, has been in Falcon for a very short period of time. So he is someone who has leveled up within a very short period. Doesn't happen for everyone, but it goes to show you that if you have the right formula, the right accountability, and you have the right framework to do it, that's how quickly it changes. So he's a prime example of someone who has just joined, got his head stuck in, leveraged the community, attends the webinars, does what he needs to do, and no wonder he's seeing results. This is just the beginning. This is literally just the beginning. This is his first ever payout as well. So how many people sit on the sidelines trying to educate themselves from random YouTube tutorials, not realizing that the money they're saving by not investing into themselves is stopping them from getting 2 grand, 3 grand, 4 grand. Like, if the goal is to make money quicker, invest up front and get it anyway. Because the dangerous thing is, like, imagine someone like Darag who goes, oh, I don't need to get educated, I'll just sit on YouTube tutorials. Imagine they wasted 5 years of thinking, yeah, but I've saved £100 a month or £150 a month. It's like, yeah, but you've stopped yourself making 3 grand, 6 grand, 12 grand, 9 grand, 5 grand. You've stopped yourself from the ability to make that money faster, and you've wasted 5 years of your life. That doesn't sound like a good deal to me. So yeah, Darag, you've crushed it, brother. I'm pleased to hear it. Rajpal as well. Mikey with his 100k. You got Rajpal with his 150k. I think he's got another 50k. He's got 200 in total, which is sick. And then you've got Kasim. Do you know what I love about Kasim? I met Kasim for the first time. He was, I would say, all over the place. As in, like, very, like, up and down, like the emotional roller coaster. I was like, right, this guy's ambitious. He's a really good person, but I could tell his mind was, like, up and down. I remember meeting him the second time, which was at the Manchester meetup that we done, right, where we had that big venue. I remember meeting him there, and then he'd got 100k funding at that time, I believe. I think it was FTMO. And it was like talking to a different person. They went through the rewiring process, and it was like, this guy's calm, he's relaxed, he's chilled out with it. It's so interesting to see, like, meeting someone and go, they're all over, they're very scatty, doing the inner work, and then they're just this calm and relaxed. It's amazing to see it. I had no idea whatsoever. Sent in 9,960. Prime example you have certain types of people that are forward facing, so they're active, they're doing the stuff, and you get people that learn at their own pace. This is the part that I love about teaching people. Do you know why? Because who am I to say to someone, look, you got to be here, you got to be in every webinar, you got to be at every meetup. I'm going to offer that because I think it's the fastest way. Yet there are still people in the shadows that, like, maybe they work difficult jobs, maybe they work unsociable hours. They're still watching the content. They're still doing what they need to do. They still journal their trades. They still listen to instructions, and they randomly just send a message and say, Mark, I've been cracking on in the background. I just made 10 grand, by the way. Thank you very much. I'm like, it's that type of stuff that I love because it just comes out of nowhere. So it's very rewarding to see people building a skill that you can go from not making money to suddenly every penny you've ever invested in this skill, you've literally made it in one trade. Imagine a business, like, businesses can't do that. How many businesses start with like 30, 50 grand up front, and they're lucky if they get to break even in the first year and then they lose. Right. And even if they do well for a period of time, it's really easy for the industry to change. Ingredients, let's say you're a pizzeria or whatever, ingredients go up in price. You then can't up your pizza price because you look unreasonable compared to other pizzerias, and then you're getting rid of staff, and then the rent goes up. Like, there's so many variables that could like screw you over just from the economy, and you've done nothing wrong. Yet in trading, you could have spent 5, 10, 15 grand over like 3 years of investing into yourself, learning, blowing funding, and suddenly 1 or 2 withdrawals, you're like, oh, I'm back to break even. And you got the skill, and you got the experience, and you got the emotional regulation, and suddenly you're up. You don't have a boss. You can go from anywhere in the world. You can trade from anywhere. You have complete freedom, full autonomy over your day. It's amazing. It's such an underrated thing about trading that I love, that I think most people would get a lot further ahead in their journey if they recognize, do the hard work now, because when it changes quickly, and you'll be getting payouts like this.